Okay. I don't know if y'all can see this, but I think I'm seeing a bee humping another bee. I think they're making babies next to this cocoon. I've never seen this before. And it's outside of my bedroom window. Like, oh my lord. I'm gonna get it closer. Do y'all see this? Huh. It's more than just honey. Yeah, that big brown rock is a cocoon. First time I seen that too. I mean, back in middle school, high school. But that's just crazy. Yep, that's all. Been checking every day, and it's been getting bigger. It's like more of them are coming. This is crazy. And guess who's not gonna knock the thing down? Not me. I don't know what to do with it, y'all. I don't know.